So well, the inspiration for this particular Gurugram 4 BHK apartment stemmed from the desire of blending modern elegance of the city, of this metro city Gurugram, with that Indian authentic timeless feel. So what we've done is that we have actually tried to uplift the client's way of living and also the effectiveness of the space in all context of its usability. One of the most crucial challenges that we faced in this particular project was working into the constraints of the existing structure. So what happens in apartments is you have limit towards structural changes, and we with our very skilled team discussed what possibilities can we offer our client, and then planned our entire space planning to utilize each corner in the way which can complement the structural elements as well as the new modern age requirements. There's a washroom which we have termed as the daughter's washroom in this particular apartment. There were 2 doors to that washroom which were a part of the gallery of the living room. So we suggested our client to close one door and make dimensionally the washroom a longitudinal design element. With that, we've been able to achieve a beautiful counter in a tropical theme, and it suddenly has given so much space to the washroom and made it very aesthetically pleasing as well as a more private and usable space. Material selection becomes the most important part in our design, because the right kind of materials can help you achieve the right kind of concept that you are proposing to your client. So here in this apartment, we've tried to use very earthy natural materials in the most premium quality. So like for example, we've used good hardwoods, we've used a bigger size of premium tiles that have invented the entire space, because the size of the tile, the kind of Italian satin grain in it, it's just adding a lot of character. Well, I can't point out any one furniture, because the entire concept of this apartment and everything that you see in the apartment is customized. We understood what the client preference is, and then we tried to customize each and every piece in our manufacturing unit. Whether it is the sofa, the kitchen, the wardrobes, everything has been customized as per the size available and as per the client's preferences.